Finally got everything hooked up. Transfer switch, the wires to the fuse box, the wires to the meter. I got the temporary propane hooked up, and it's time to start running it, I guess. I did the activation process online, and I tried this yesterday, and as I was trying it, I couldn't get Wi-Fi, and come to find out we had another power outage out here. So we've been having some bad weather this past couple weeks, and power outages was like real bad. So it gave me the boost to get out here and finish this. Plus, I was kind of waiting for the weather to break to be a little bit nicer to do it. But I guess time gets in the way when Mother Nature does what it want to do. So let's try this first startup. It says ready to run. Let's do manual. We got this far in the game. We got our pipe hooked up to the box. We got a wire ran through it. This was tough to run through this. But now I just need to cut off this excess crap off the way. Shorten my wires, take them where they need to go. Here. This wire was hard to deal with going through this. I got an 1.5 inch pipe, and there's plenty of space on both sides of that pipe. It'll be easy to run it. It was a little struggle with 1.5 inches. I think I measured the diameter of this cable, and it's like an 1.1 inches wide, and I thought 1.5 inches was plenty. I mean, it worked, but going through my bins, it was quite a little struggle. Going through my bins here and going through the bins down here, and then the bins over here in the back of the machine. So finish leveling out the grass or the gravel and rocks and stuff. So now we here, got a little time to hook up these wires to this transfer switch. So here we go. I don't have the fancy cutters and stuff to cut this with. But I got some of these, and I got some bolt cutters. Cut this with some pretty thick wire. Take off my small wires here. Excess. Let's get rid of this here. Either or, which side? It's closer to this side. Let's go this way. These bolt cutters, I know these will do it. say, I don't have them fancy pliers. Now, I don't do this for a living, I'm doing it for my house. So I already had these wood cutters. Oh, these are cut it easy. Just like that. So these are out the way. What if I should just go ahead and hook these up now? Swing this around. Got this red and black is going behind here. So generator source is the upper. So it's these two prongs, vectors here. So I ain't gonna need much of that either. Let's cut this out. Excess. Neutral is going to follow. Shit. Some big shit. Neutral. Right there. Big boys for this. Next. Take it to that one. Screwdriver, please. Now let's do this neutral. Cut it down a little bit. Alright, we got this one. Set this one down. that go in. Oh yeah, we got the room now. Let's open up a little bit more. Alright, got those two there. And now we got our two. We're gonna put these up here for upper. T1, two lower connections. Goes to inner box. Okay. Let's cut this baby right there. I know it may be kind of difficult to deal with these old big joints, but this is what I got. This is what I got. That's what I got to work with. Go here. Same thing for the generator side. Everything is color coordinated. So I'm running through this pre-zip tied loop. Cut them down. I'll start with the yellow. So we got yellow. And go here. It look like you just press it down like an old speaker connection and pull on it. It's tight. So we got the next one. It's the yellow and black line. Okay, next we got the blue. Those three are in. Do black. All right, red. White. All right, so those are in. cut here. Got spiffy bolt cutters for this. Okay. On the transfer switch where I got transfer switch side, I got the black on E2. So bolt cutters. Red left. Well, this is the last wire. Maybe cut this one a little too long. Get your ass up in there. Okay. Okay, tighten that up. Alright. So, wasn't that bad. All the wires are hooked up. I'm gonna come back and take this off, and I'll put my another zip tie on this, cut this excess zip tie off, and zip tie these. Don't really need it, but that's that. Now I just got to do battery, hook up my battery. Got to get a battery. Hook up the battery and the propane next. Battery would go here, propane would go hook up in here, out to here, and end up cutting a bigger hole for this because I got a 1.5, and when I try to connect it to this hole wasn't the right size, so I just put the plug that came with the machine back on there, plug that back up, and like I said, I got the propane to put in there, start running that, and on this side I need to go hook up my wire from the meter box to here. So I'm gonna try to do that today if it don't rain.